All right, y'all. Tell me, am I tripping? Okay. How many of y'all wear y'all earphones like this with the bottom piece pointing down? Pointing with the bottom piece pointing down. Okay, so y'all, am I tripping? Because I wear my earphones like this with the bottom piece going up inside my ear. Now, you see the difference. Okay, so this one, when I wear my ear piece like this, it tends to hurt a little bit if I leave them in longer. But when I wear it like this, it feels so much more comfortable and you can't really see it. So, how many of y'all wear y'all earphones like this? Which y'all think is more comfortable? This one or this one? Or have y'all even tried this way? So, like, let me know what y'all think. Because either way is fine, but I like this way better. You see how flush it is to my ear? You can't even really tell that I have it in. So what y'all think? Chime in.